I think it's important for the U.S. and really just all the nations that are involved to come together to exercise operational and strategic concepts as well as tactical abilities for all of us, and really just working on the interoperability between nations and learning from each other. Yeah, so I think the biggest thing is just the scale and the scope of the exercise. It's 20 plus nations, and they're all bringing different aircrafts which have different capabilities and different mission sets to the exercise. So I think from the exercise we've learned a lot of the abilities from other nations and really how we can work best together to accomplish a set goal. So I think it's important for NATO, like we alluded to earlier, is just that interoperability between nations, right? So it's the largest NATO exercise that they've put together, and we've come together for a collective deterrence, and the fact that we can bring a footprint this large from all the different NATO nations together and practice that interoperability through the exercise is a great thing, I think. Oh, Europe's been a great place to fly. The weather's been beautiful the past 2 weeks. The host nation, Germany, here has been very accommodating for us. So us and all the NATO allies have gotten some really good training in the airspace that we have.